Okay guys, what I have here is a little Bobcat S70. The tires on this machine are probably about 50% life left. The bucket and everything's in excellent condition. Here's the little bucket here. The one cylinder. The sheet metal's in very good condition all the way around. The rear door's in nice condition. Drops and everything's in good shape. There's the fuel gauge. Here's the serial number plate. The seat's in very nice condition. The lights and everything. Here's the engine. The engine runs out excellent. The muffler and everything's in very nice condition. As you can see down here, no leaks. Here's the console with the meters and everything. Here's the hour meter. Reading 258 hours. Here's the other console, the key switch and the parking brake and everything. Hydraulic power is really good. This machine's in very good condition. It runs out really well.